And of course, guys, the much-awaited Seiko watches. Oh my God. So now, we're at Seiko. Ituturo ko sa inyo lahat at ipapakita sa inyo lahat kung magkano ba ang mga Seiko dito, guys, sa Morse Building Book of Super Bazaar. Mag-start tayo dito sa Seiko Astron. This is 180,000 yen. Seiko Astron, 180,000 yen. Ngayon, papakita natin yung conversion para alam nyo na kung magkano ba yung presyo. If you want to buy this product, guys, I can carry this. Message me on my Instagram. Bibili natin to. Hopefully may, alam mo yun, may tax-free sila. Okay? And then next to that is another Astron watch na Seiko pa din naman. This is 185,000 yen. It's Seiko Astron, 185,000 yen. Disclaimer, I'm not a watch expert. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga nandito na available na mga Seiko watches. So another Astron. This Seiko watch is 78,000 yen. Yan. Yan ang kanyang closer look. Seiko Astron watch, 78,000 yen. And then next to that is a Seiko. Paano bang pag-pronounce niyan? Seiko Brights. 30,000 yen. Yan. 30,000 yen lang. Makalang, no? And then we're at Seiko Prospects. Yan. 200,000 yen. So this is Seiko Prospects 7C46-0AP0 090013 200,000 yen. Yan. Yan ang Seiko dito, guys. 200,000 yen. Another Seiko Prospects. Look how elegant the design. This is actually 10 over 10. Halos bago pa siya. This is 140,000 yen. Yun ang price niya. 140,000 yen. This is Seiko Prospects, 140,000 yen. So this is SBDC 203. Model unit. Model watch ng Seiko Prospects. Yan. So dito naman is yung mga automatic level ng Seiko watches. This is 45,000 yen. This is Seiko 4R3503X0. Yan.